Good evening, students. We'll continue remaining problems of 1.3 exercise, relations and functions. Okay, 1.3 exercise. Today I gave over one, 8th one, right? 9th question. Consider F max R plus 2 minus 5 to infinity given by f of x is equal to 9x square plus 6x minus 5. Show that f is invertible and with f inverse means find f inverse means. Same procedure. Given function this one and given mapping of r plus 2 means non-negative real numbers, only positive real numbers to this domain is minus 5 to infinity. F of x is equal to 9x square plus 9x 6x minus 5. Let y be an arbitrary element. So this element belongs to codomain. This element belongs to codomain. Means in minus infinity to minus 5 to infinite. By the definition means y is equal to f of x is equal to 9x square plus 6x minus 5. First sum. Consider this x values where we are going from choose from domain R plus. For some x belongs to R plus. For some x belongs to R plus. Right. This shows okay y is equal to 9x square plus 6x minus 5. Convert as x in subject. One method is 9x square plus 6x minus y minus 5. So this can be written as is equal to 0. Using quadratic equation to find x value. So that is in terms of x. That is one method. Or else this is a plus b whole square or a minus whole square form. 9x square can be written as 3x whole square. 3x whole square, no problem. Without changing the function, 6x can be written as 2ab. 2, this is a, consider this is a square, a value. 2a, b value, okay, no change, it's 6x. Consider as b value 1. Next what we need means we need value 1 plus 1 square, a square plus 2ab, b square is 1. From minus 5 not possible. Okay, this is plus 5 means 5 capital as 1 plus 4. Okay, this is right. But here is minus 5 is there. We need plus 1. So extra 1 add means without change the function subtract minus 1. So then minus 5 as it is. So this can be written as this is equal to 1 square. A square plus 2ab plus b square. So y is equal to a plus b whole square. Right? Minus 1 minus 5. Minus 6. Minus 1 minus 5 minus 6. 6 take this away. Y plus 6 is equal to 3x plus 1 whole square. This implies 3x plus 1 whole square is equal to y plus 6. 3x plus 1 is equal to plus or minus root of y plus 6. 3x is equal to minus 1 plus or minus y plus 6. X is equal to minus 1 plus or minus y plus 6 root divided by 3. So this is the x value. This is the x value. So this is plus x as a substitute, right? First of all, given y an arbitrary element in this, and next one more from the function x is right. By the invertible function definition, y maps one function, there exists another function g defined. Another function g f maps x to y, g maps y to x such that f circle g is equal to ib, means iy, g circle f is equal to ix, then f is called invertible function. Use that concept into another function define. How to define? So this is the right reverse, minus 5 to infinity to r plus, minus 5 to infinity to r plus, by, how to define by g of y. For f means f of x, for g means g of y, that is equal f of x is equal to y, g of y is equal to x, so that is x, minus 1 plus or minus this is the g of f defined function. Now what will prove? We need to prove g circle f and f circle g value identity. So now g circle f of x, this can be written as g of f of x. What is f of x? F of x value is equal to this one. So this total rate compared to this one, better to write. This is better. It's also by a simple easy calculation. This converted already 3x plus 1 whole square minus 6, right, in place of f of x. Okay. G of y, g of y. What is g of y? This one. In place of y, substitute this total value. Total value substitute. G of y this is. So g of y is equal to minus 1 plus or minus y. Y plus this one. That is equal to minus 1 plus or minus 3x plus 1 whole square minus 6 plus 6 square root divided by 3. So plus 6 minus 6 cancel. Root to square cancel. After cancellation, 3x plus 1. Take your plus 1. Y means that is r. When you take negative value. Okay. Right. Here also minus 1 plus 3x plus 1. Okay, plus 1 minus 1 cancel. 3x by 3, 3 cancel. X. This can be identity function of x. This is. So what is identity function means? IR plus. Domain is IR plus of x. Right? Okay. G circle F is equal to identity function. Now we want to prove F circle G. Right here, F circle G. Let's continue. F circle G of 1. F circle G of 1. F of G of 1. What is G of 1? This one. Minus 1 plus root of y plus 6 divided by 3. Substitute in the f of x. What is f of x? This one. 9x square plus 6x minus 5. Or else here also substitute, no problem. That value. So this is equal to f circle G. In this 9 into minus 1 plus 9x square plus 6x plus 6x. X means I place on that minus 1 root y plus x divided by 3 minus 5. This is equal to 9 minus 1 whole square divided by 9, 3 2's plus 2 of minus 1 plus 6 minus 5. 9 cancel. A plus B whole square. A square plus B square plus 2AB minus 2 plus 2 times of root y plus 6 minus 1. 2 into root of y plus 6. So, sorry, this is the plus correct. Here minus. A minus whole square. So this one cancel. Right? Next here 1 root this one cancel. Y plus 6 minus 2. This one minus 2. This is not cancel. Minus 2 minus 1. This is equal to y plus 7 minus 7 cancel. Y means I of domain. Sorry, codomain minus 5 to. So G circle F is called identity IR plus F circle G is called identity. It shows this implies then F is called invertible function. F is implies F is invertible. Invertible means F inverse exists. That implies what is F inverse? F inverse y is equal to G of y. F inverse is equal to G of y. That implies what is F inverse y? F inverse y is equal to G of y value is equal to that one. Minus 1 plus y plus root 6 by 3 or right like this one root of y plus 6 minus 1 by 3. So this is the F inverse. Right? Clear this is the last compulsory. F is invertible. Then F inverse is equal to G of y. F inverse is equal to. So first of all, given function. For a given problem, y is an arbitrary element of this given domain, codomain, and from the function we convert x as the subject like this one. Afterwards, define one more function g compared to consider as y at that domain and codomain to change that value is equal to g maps another function consideration. Next, now G circle F x find. Okay, like this one. Finally, you get answer x value. This is identity function. Next to find f circle g. F circle g means f of g of y is equal to f of this also y is nothing but identity function. So g circle f is equal to, by the definition of invertible function, g circle f is identity function and f circle g also identity function. It implies, it shows f is invertible. So invertible means inverse exists. That implies f inverse y is equal to g of y. F inverse y is equal to g of y means what? This is the g of y. Therefore, y root of y plus x minus 1 by 3 is the f inverse. Tenth question. F maps x to y. F maps x to y. Be an invertible function. Invertible function. Show that f has unique inverse. Show that f has unique inverse. Invertible function means what? Inverse exists. When the inverse exists, first of all, that is bijective function. Means that implies, bijective means f is bijective. Bijective means what? Implies f is 1 and onto both. F is 1 and onto. Clear? Right. Invertible function, by the definition of invertible function, f inverse is exist means f has some inverse. Right. So let g1 and g2 be the inverses of f. Here consider two inverse function, two inverse elements, g1 and inverse function g1 and g2. Okay, but what we show, they are unique, means they are same, right? By the invertible function, consider another function g, f maps x to y, another function g maps y to x, then g circle f is equal to identity and f circle g is equal to identity. Use that concept. F circle g1 of y is equal to f circle g2 of identity. Concept of identity. Invertible means. Already invertible means this y identity is equal to f circle identity by g2 y. So both to equate. Alright. Okay, this function can be written as like this one. Remove circle, right bracket. Right. F is 1 1. F is 1 1 means f of x1 is equal to f of x2. F is 1 1 means that implies x1 is equal to x2. F is 1 1 by the definition. F of x1, this is not as x1. F of x1 is equal to f of x2. Implies that what will show? x1 is equal to x2. That implies g1y is equal to g2y. Clear? Right. Take this by the concept of invertible function. Finally show g1y is equal to g2y. What is g1 and g2? g1 and g2 are the inverses of f. Finally they show they are equal. Equal means therefore f has Inequ inverse. Inequ inverse. Right? So like that. This is the showing. Then 11. F maps 1, 2, 3, 2 ABC given by f of 1 is equal to A, f of 2 is equal to B, f of 3 is equal to C. That is given, right? Find f inverse and show that f inverse 4 inverse is equal to f also. Find first of all f inverse, right? One, two, three. This is A, B, C. F of 1 under F. Under the function F. 1 means A. F of 1 is equal to A. 2 is equal to B. 3 is equal to C. It is 1 1 or not? Okay, clear. It is 1 1. F is 1 1. F is 1 1. And also on to also. Y means on to every element of this second set, codomain set, has pre-images. Pre-images exist at least one element. So then F is on to. F is on to means 1 1 on to means F is bijection. Means F is bijective function. 1 1 on to means bijective. Okay, when it is possible inverse exist means 1 1 on to bijective. Both 1 1 on to then only possible F inverse exist. That implies F inverse exists. F inverse exists. Right? Okay. How can write this value? F is equal to, that implies this set. How can write 1A, 2B, 3C. F of 1 is 1A, 2B, 3C. F inverse. What is F inverse? F inverse is equal to A1, B2, C3. This is the F inverse. Clear? This is the F inverse. Right. Means F inverse maps A, B, C to 1, 2, 3. A, B, C to 1, 2, 3. They ask F inverse. Okay, find F inverse value. Right. So what is this value? A, B, C 1, 2, 3. F of A for A 1, for B 2, for C 3. Means F inverse A is equal to 1, F inverse B is equal to 2, F inverse C is equal to 3. Here also 1 1 and on 2. F inverse is 1 1. F inverse is on 2, then bisective. F inverse has one more inverse. So that implies F inverse has inverse. Therefore, F inverse 4 inverse, what will get? Same answer here. Therefore, yeah. So F inverse whole inverse is equal to, so this is the students. Next 13. A 12th take any example and try. 13th problem. F max R to R by f of x is equal to 3 minus x cube whole power 1 by 3. Then they ask f circle f of x, that is a multiple choice question. Okay, this is the multiple choice question. Right. Sometimes they give in theory, for theory problem also this important for 2 marks or 1 mark sometimes, or 2 marks multiple choice questions. F circle f of x defined. Okay, right. Composite from how can write f of x. F of x. You can write composite function in place of circle, right? Bracket. What is f of x? F of x is equal to 3 minus x cube whole power 1 by 3. F of x value 3 minus x cube whole power 1 by 3. Now this is treated as f of x, total treated as f of x. Again resubstitute this total value in x only, in x. This can be written as 3 minus x plus. This is x cube is there. Now full whole 1 by 3. That is it. First of all, f circle f of x can be written as f of x. Write f of x value 3 minus x cube whole power 1 by 3. This is treated as x. This value substitute in x. So 3 minus x plus total 3 minus x cube whole power 1 by 3. Here cube is there. So that cube. This is x. That cube. And total 1 by 3 is there. Total 1 by 3. Right? Okay. 3 cancel. 3 minus up. 3 minus x cube, take bracket, whole power 1 by 3. Now open bracket. 3 minus 3 minus into minus plus x cube whole power 1 by 3. 3 cancel. Remaining value x cube whole power 1 by 3. 3 cancel. X is the answer. So, okay, option C is the correct answer. Students, understand this problem? Answer. 14th question, that also given multiple choice question. Okay, they ask inverse. Just multiple choice question is how to find means f of x is equal to 4x by 3x plus 4. Consider this is y is equal to 4x by 3x plus 4, 3x plus 4 of y is equal to 3x, 3xy plus 4y is equal to 3x, 3x minus 3xy is equal to 4y, x comma 3 minus 3y is equal to 4y, x is equal to 4y by 3 minus 3y. So already in previous problems x value is nothing but g of y. Okay. So that implies 4y by sorry, here 4y 4x by 3x plus 4, correct. Okay, y is equal to, take this side, 3x 3x minus 3xy this is y 4x by 3x plus 4, right. 4x 3x plus 4 3xy plus 4y, right. This one take this side, means 3x minus 3xy is equal to 4y x comma 3 minus 3y. Which option is the correct answer? That value not there. Sorry, here is 4x. Here mistake here. Okay. So then 3x will take this side, means here 4x. 4x. Okay. X comma 4 minus 3y. Here 4 minus 3y. So this is 4y by 4 minus 3y. Right. This is the inverse direct. 1 mark CET we took means multiple choice question is direct this one. This is the inverse g of y. But sometimes there will be 5 marks also. This is also important question. 14th problem for 5 marks. Okay, we will discuss tomorrow next class. So this is direct answer g of y. The second option 4y by 4 minus 3y. 5 marks question as it is the same process. G circle f, f circle g, and find f equals like that. Okay, students, we continue our remaining problems for in the next class.